Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you the fix when your Google Sheets not showing formula results. So as you can see here, we've wrote a formula and it's not actually showing us the results of the formula. Now there's two different things you want to try. First, let's highlight the formula, then come up to View, then come down to Show, and then make sure Formulas is unticked. And that should make the formulas work. Now, if that View, Show, and Formulas is unticked, and the formulas are still not working, what a lot of people believe is that there's been an update in the back end whilst you've been using your sheet. So make sure the sheet is saved and then simply reload the page. So give the page a refresh, and in most cases that starts the formulas working. A very simple solution, but for most people that works. So don't forget, check the View tab to make sure Show and Formulas are unticked, or refresh the page after saving your document. Hopefully one of them two things helps you sort the problem out, and that helps when your formulas are not showing the results. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.